Seventh question. Let A 4, 2, B 6, 5, C 1, 4 be the vertices of triangle ABC. Then there are 5 parts. We'll do one by one. First part, the median from A meets BC at D. Find the coordinates of point D. So we'll make a triangle ABC, and the median from A meets BC at D. Then we have to find the coordinates of D. Now as it is a median, so for this one it means D will be the midpoint of BC. So coordinates of D will be using midpoint formula, that is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So we get 6 plus 1 by 2 comma 5 plus 4 by 2, which is 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7 by 2 and 9 by 2. So we get the point coordinates of D as 7 by 2 comma 9 by 2. This is the first part. Let's do the second part now. Second part, find the coordinates of point P on AD such that AP ratio PD is 2:1. There is a point on AD, let's say this is point P, and AP ratio PD is 2:1, 2:1, and we have to find the coordinates of point P. So for that we will use the section formula. So coordinates of P, section formula is M x2 plus n x1 by m plus n comma m y2 plus n y1 by m plus n. So 2 into x2, that is 7 by 2, plus 1 into 4 by 2 plus 1, comma 2 into 9 by 2 plus 1 into 2 by 2 plus 1. So we get 11 by 3 comma 11 by 3. So this is the coordinates of P, that is 11 by 3 comma 11 by 3. Let's do the third part. Find the coordinates of point Q and R on the medians BE and CF respectively such that BQ and QE, BQ ratio QE is 2:1 and CR ratio RF is also 2:1. So there are two medians, BQ and CR. So let's say this point is E and this point is, the medians are BE and CF. Sorry, the midpoints are BE and CF, and there are points. Let's say I'll make the lines BE and CF here. So if this is BE and this is CF, BE, CF, then on BE there is a point Q, on CF there is a point R, which divides it in ratio 2:1, here also 2:1. So we have to find the coordinates of Q and R. But before finding the coordinates of Q and R, we'll need the coordinates of E and F. So again we will apply the midpoint formula for E and F, because E is the midpoint of AC and F is the midpoint of AB. So coordinates of E, x1 plus x2 by 2, that is 4 plus 1 by 2, comma 2 plus 4 by 2, which is 5 by 2, comma 3. And coordinates of F is equal to 4 plus 6 by 2, it is midpoint of AB. So 4 plus 6 by 2, comma 2 plus 5 by 2. So we get 5, comma 7 by 2. Now we have to find the coordinates of Q. So now we can use the section formula. Coordinates of Q is equal to mx2 plus n x1 by m1 plus m plus n. So 2 into x2, that is 5 by 2, plus 1 into 6 by 2 plus 1, comma 2 into 3 plus 1 into 5 by 2 plus 1. So we get 11 by 3, comma 11 by 3. Now coordinates of R two into 5 plus 1 into 1, because now the coordinates of C are 1, 4 and F are 5, 7 by 2. So 2 into 5 into 1 plus 1 into 1 by 2 plus 1, comma 2 into 7 by 2 plus 1 into 4 by 2 plus 1. Again we get the same answer, that is 11 by 3, comma 11 by 3. So the coordinates of Q 11 by 3, coordinates of R 11 by 3. Let's do the next part, fourth part now. Fourth part, what do you observe from the last three parts? What do you observe? Now we got the coordinates of P as 11 by 3, comma 11 by 3 and AP ratio PD. AP ratio PD was given 2:1. Then C BQ ratio QE was given 2:1 and we got the point Q as 11 by 3, comma 11 by 3. In the same way, CR ratio RF was given 2:1 and we got the point R as 11 by 3, comma 11 by 3. So you can see that the coordinates of point P, Q, R are the same. We have got the same coordinates for P, Q and R. Therefore, all these are representing the same point. That is, they are nothing but the same point here. And this point, as they have given in the note, the point which is common to all the three medians is called the centroid, and this point divides each median in ratio 2:1. So this point, let's say this point is P or Q or R, whatever it may be. So this is the centroid. So this is called as the centroid of the triangle. Now let's do the last part, fifth part. Fifth part, if A x1 y1 B x2 y2 and C x3 y3 are the vertices of triangle ABC. Now it has nothing to do with the statement of the question, but they have given that these are the coordinates ABC, x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. Then find the coordinates of the centroid of this triangle. Now we have to find a formula for the coordinate in terms of x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. Formula for the coordinates of centroid. So what we can do, see the figure, A is x1 y1, B is x2 y2, C is x3 y3, and let's say the centroid, we have to find the centroid of the triangle. So let's say the centroid is O, and this AD median will pass through the centroid and O will divide it into ratio 2:1, and D is the midpoint of BC. So what we can do, first we will find the coordinates of D using the midpoint formula, and then we will find the coordinates of O using the section formula. So coordinates of D x2 plus x3 by 2 comma y2 plus y3 by 2. Now coordinates of O. Using section formula, that is M and N are 2 and 1. So 2 into x2 plus x3 by 2 plus 1 into x1 comma divided by 2 plus 1 comma y2 is y2 plus y3 by 2. So 2 into y2 plus y3 by 2 plus 1 into y1 divided by 2 plus 1. Now 2 gets cancelled here, 2 gets cancelled here. So x2 plus x3 plus x1, or we can say x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 2. So these are the coordinates of centroid of a triangle. So this is the answer for the fifth part.
To learn more about how Cuemath can help you crack school and board exams, explore Cuemath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.